Hey everyone, if you're a tech enthusiast like me, you're going to love what I'm about to share. Today we're diving into the latest Android update and the top 7 features that are game changers. So, let's get started. First up, we've got the all-new Privacy Dashboard. This feature provides a clear and concise timeline of when apps access your microphone, camera, or location. Now, you can sleep a little easier knowing exactly which app is watching or listening. Moving on, feature number 2, Conversation Widgets. These widgets bring your favorite chats right to your home screen. Whether it's your family group chat or your best friend, staying connected has never been easier or more stylish. Third on our list is one-handed mode. With phones getting bigger, this update couldn't come at a better time. Just a simple swipe down from the bottom of your screen and everything shifts closer to your thumb. It's perfect for when you're carrying a coffee or holding onto a bus rail. Next, the gaze detection feature. Android now knows if you're actually looking at your screen, so videos pause when you look away. No more missing out on crucial scenes because your friend decided to tell you a story. The fifth feature to talk about is earthquake alerts. This built-in system uses signals from various sources to warn you about potential earthquakes. It's like having a mini seismic detector in your pocket. Number 6, Android Auto enhancements. For those of us who practically live in our cars, these improvements are a big deal. Customize your entertainment setup, use voice-activated features more seamlessly, and enjoy a smarter driving experience. And finally, app hibernation. This feature automatically compresses unused apps to optimize storage and performance. It's like your phone does spring cleaning all by itself. So there you have it, 7 thrilling new features with Android's latest update. Whether you're all about security, convenience, or just love staying on top of the latest tech, this update has something for everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Catch you in the next one.